welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about the third affliction, that is rag. What is that? That is attachment. What is attachment? You know, most of us understand attachment as love, and we have a superimposition of attachment with love, and because of that we suffer, and we are not able to differentiate properly with our Vivek Shakti, and because of that we are suffering. So let's discuss in depth what is attachment. Attachment is never independent. It is based upon three factors. You know, when you find someone's company or something very pleasurable, you want to repeat it again and again and again. So that creates an attachment towards that particular person or the object, which gives a specific experience. So it is based upon experience, and it is based upon the memory of the experience and the object of your attachment, which is giving you pleasure. So you want it, repeat it again and again, and there your intellect is covered. And when you are deprived of that thing, it creates a different sort of anger in you, and sometimes you are not even able to understand why this is happening to you. Attachment is such a trap, and many of us have this problem, whether it is with some experience, with some person or any object. You know, there is a very thin line between attachment and love. Attachment needs base, but love does not need any base. It's there, it's our very existence. But because of this attachment, we think that okay, love is also something which is going to give us misery and pain, but that is not. Because of our wrong superimposition of attachment as love, we think love is also something which is going to make us miserable. According to the current situations, you know, we have seen many youth as well as many other individuals. They are too much into emotions. They are facing emotional turbulences. They are just going and they are seeking experiences, and they want to repeat it. And if they are not able to get it, they are being angry. They are taking different steps, and it is so painful. Attachment binds us, but love liberates us. So there is a point I want to give you to differentiate well, how to differentiate between attachment and love. Whensoever you feel bondage, you feel that I'm in some kind of bondage, that is not love. It can never be love. It's attachment. So love liberates you. It gives you utter freedom. You feel fulfilled, you feel happy, you feel expanded. You never feel contracted. It makes you feel expanded and happy and fulfilled. Whensoever you want to differentiate between these, just keep this one point in mind. Is it liberating me? Is it making me feel more free, more fulfilled, more happy? Or is it making me more bounded? Or I'm craving more for that experience, or for that person, or for that event, or for anything of that sort. So this is the key point to be kept in mind. Now just keep these parameters on and think for yourself. Do you have any attachment towards some person or any event or any experience or any situation? And try to get rid of it. I tell you, a life free of attachments is a real life. We are not living the life till we are attached with so many things. It's a bondage. So wake up and start living your life with your full potential. This life is too short, as I always say in all the videos. So just wake up and give your full heart to this life and become the best version of yourself. So this was my interpretation. You can write me your own understanding in the comment section. What do you think? What is attachment? And what are the ways to get rid of it? Again, as we discuss the yogic practices, the meditation, pranayama, These are going to help you come out of that bondage by cutting that chain of bondage, and the afflictions will vanish in no time. I am practicing. If you want to practice, then you can write that too in the comment section, and feel free to reach out to me. I'm rooting for you. Lots of love and blessings. Thank you.